Good afternoon, everyone. Now come to the next topic, that is like some of the advantages of internet as well as applications of internet. So what do you mean by the advantages? The plus points which you get with the help of internet. So what are the advantages of internet? So I'll tell you in this video lecture. Basically, the uses of internet has been the most useful technology of the modern times, which helps us not only in our daily lives but also in our personal as well as in the professional lives developments. So basically, this internet helps us to achieve in several different ways. Like, it is used for educational purpose, it is used for gathering the information from different websites, and it is used by business professionals for advertising and for sending the mail and for getting access of any of the information from different portals. Then internet can be used as one of the largest encyclopedia for everyone and for all of the age category also. So this is one of the use of internet, and it is used to maintain the contacts with friends and relatives whether they are very far from us. Done. So these are some of the uses of internet. Even though we are having some we are having some more uses of the internet, as well as we are having some more advantages of internet. So we will discuss it if I want to tell you about the advantages of internet, then the advantages of internet are in terms of education, or in field of technology, or in field of online shopping. So number of advantages are there. So the first advantage of internet is email. Like, with the help of internet we can send the email to any of the person, like whether he is in our country or not, or whether it is far from us. So we can send it only with the help of internet. So then there are some more fields where we just use the internet, like e-commerce, online chat, education, entertainment. So these are some of the advantages, even though you can use some more advantages, because we are having number of advantages of internet. These are not limited to these 5 headings only. So the first advantage of internet is email. Like, email is now an essential communication tool in the business. Means with email we can send and receive the instant electronic message or email, which works like writing the letters. So your messages are delivered instantly to the people anywhere in the world, unlike traditional mail that takes a lot of time. So it is free, fast and very cheap when compared to telephone, fax and postal services. Because whenever we send any of the letter with the help of postal services, then obviously it takes time and obviously it takes money also. But if we are talking about sending this email with the help of electronic mode, then obviously it doesn't take so much time. It takes only hardly 1 minute or maybe less than that. And obviously it doesn't cost in comparison to these postal services, it compared we don't pay this much amount, only we just pay for the internet. So now what are some other advantages of internet? So we are having the advantages of internet in the field of e-commerce also. Like, we just do the online shopping, we just advertise something with the help of e-commerce websites. Okay, so along with getting the information on the internet, you can also shop the online, like with the help of Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. You are shopping, you are doing shopping, online shopping. And because there are many online stores and sites that can be used to look for products, as well as to buy them using your credit card or any of the card, you do not need to leave your house, or you can do all your shopping from the convenience of your home. It has got a real amazing and wide range of products, from household needs, electronic items, entertainment, etc. So these are some of the advantages of internet in the field of e-commerce. Then some more advantages of internet are there, like in the field of entertainment. So internet provides the facility to access the wide range of audio and video songs with the help of YouTube. Then it plays the role, you can play the film, you can play any kind of song in an online mode only by using the internet, and many of which can be downloaded also. And one such popular website is YouTube, with the help of which you can perform or play these kind of audio and video songs. Then after that, the next advantage of internet is online chat. Like, if you can access many of the chat rooms on the web that can be used to meet the new people, you can make new friends as well as to stay in touch with the old friends. You can chat in MSN, means Messenger, even though you can chat in Yahoo websites also, even though in other websites also. So this is one facility which you get with the help of internet. Then after that, we are having one more most important advantage of internet, that is in the field of education. Because each and everything in nowadays in an online mode, then obviously this is one of the most important advantage of internet, as there are many benefits of the internet in the field of education, as digital media is one of the most basic part of our life, and digital bulletin boards save the paper, which allow displaying of videos and audios to attract the attention of students. Because nowadays there are many paid sites also which provide the educational resources which are rich in quality and easily understandable to the masses. And you are having one live example that you just access your classes in an online mode in case of your education. So these are some of the advantages of internet. So now we just do practice of all these things. So till then, thank you everyone, thank you so much.